Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Welcome back to another NeoForge episode. This episode will be released in the week, during the week, unlike the other episodes, just because it's short. In this episode, I'll just show you how to add a furnace recipe. So, just like on Saturday's video, you want to head over to your provider, and in your provider, you want to create a class called furnace recipe provider, and in here you want to do what you did similarly to the normal crafting recipe. You want to extend main recipe provider, and you want to do private, and you do private. Actually, oh my God. So you're just gonna do you wanna do construction super, and in here, and in the, you're gonna have a class called a method called public void build, and in here you just wanna create a smelting recipe. So there's more than one type of recipe builder. You can have a simple cooking recipe builder, or you can have you could have a blasting one. So I'm just going to show you how to do both. So for the first one, you do simple cooking recipe builder, and in here you want to do we'll just do, actually there's three. There's smoking, smelting, blast, smoking, smelting, blasting, and campfire. So we're just going to do smoking, and in here we're going to do ingredients and in here you want to have the thing you want to smelt. So you want to do, we're going to do block init dot example block dot get, and then here I want to say what type recipe recipe category is. We're going to do misc, and then in here you want to get the result you want to get. So we're going to do item init dot example item get, and this is how long it'll take. So we're just going to do 0.6 float, and amount of XP you get. So and then you'll do unlock by, and then has the item in here. You just want to do, just say the block, and in here you want to say save. Alright, so you're gonna need your recipe output. So private final recipe output. Recipe output. Let's do add a constructor, and in here output. So that now we're gonna do the same thing for blasting. So we'll just do the same thing here, and let's do here. We'll just do the same amount of XP. Example block smelting, and example block blasting. So that should be it. So you want to head over to your main mod recipe provider, and similarly how you did it here, just going to do new furnace recipe provider and build. Just change to public, and so I'll be back once I've run my data, and once we got the JSON file. I have generated, so you can see that's our smoking one, that's our blasting. Smoking, that we did smoking. Oh no, I'm supposed to be smelting, wrong one. So just changing from smelting to smoking a bit different. So you'll run your data generation once more, and I'll be back once it's done. Alright, so it's changed from smelting now to smelting. Before it was smoking. And now if you run the game and use the furnace, everything should work as intended. So alright, so if we just hop into our game to see how it works, practical demonstration. So if we go to our furnace, and we just put one coal in here and one block in here, you can see it's starting to smelt. And if you do the same for our blasting, you can see you can see that they both now working. So if this finishes, we can see that our example item has smelted, and the same for blasting. So it works. So that shows it works. Usually the blasting should be fatter than the furnace if you want to edit that. So we both do at 0.6. If you want to change this to 0.4, that's up to you. Hope you had a great time. See you next Saturday, inshallah. Assalamu alaikum. Peace out.